Hey bag lovers, welcome back to Armcandy. How pretty is this? I love it. This is a Gucci WOC. It is just the most beautiful shade of pink. As you know, I quite like pink. This absolutely goes with my outfit today. It's just so beautiful. So pretty. The G's in the corner there, beautiful grained leather. It's got this gorgeous long chain strap which is removable, so you can have it as a crossbody or a shoulder, or take it off and have a little kind of handheld bag. It's a flat closure. Isn't it so pretty? So let's come in here. You've got a zipped pocket at the back, just there. And then there is 10 card slots. If I come that way, perhaps you can see it. 10 card slots on the front. And you can see this is where you would take the strap off if you wanted it off. So there's room in there to put your phone. There's plenty of room for your cards. You've got the zip section to put anything that you might want to keep a little bit more hidden and private and outside. It is just the most gorgeous bag. I'm going to put it on so you get an idea of the size. As always, exact measurements are on the website, and there's a link to that if you go to the description below this video. I am 5'4" and a UK size 10. Okay, if you're going to have it as a shoulder, that's what you're looking at. It comes with the Gucci box. I think when they come with the box, it's such a fantastic gift item. Gucci dust bag. And then the quality control card and the care document as well. The condition of this piece is very good throughout. There is basically nothing for me to point out to you. It is absolutely stunning. You can just tell that perhaps it has belonged to somebody. So can you see just on the back here, you can see where, you know, when you open the flap and it affects the leather. And again in here, you can just see, these are just things that happen because the thing exists. But it is an absolute stunner. And maybe I should buy this today to go with this outfit. I'm not going to buy it, don't worry, it's available for you to buy. So it's on the website. There is the direct link in the description below this. Click that, go and check this out. Before you go, remember to like the video and subscribe to this channel. When you hit the bell, make sure your lights are turned on. We have got lots more gorgeous Armcandy coming up. You don't want to miss it. Subscribe to the channel. But then go check this out on the website, and you'll be able to see all of our other pre-owned luxury bags, purses, wallets on there. Remember to sign up to our newsletter because then you get your discount code for your first purchase. So go and get that one as well. You do that on the website. So use that same link in the description. Get on the website. Scroll to the bottom of any page. There's a box. Pop your email address in, and we'll send you a discount code. If you don't get it within a minute, check your spam folder. Have a wonderful day, enjoy shopping on our website, and we'll see you soon with some more Armcandy.